Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Squarespace website for better conversion tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Squarespace website for better conversion tracking, begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu and select the website you want to update. Click on the settings option to access your site's configurations. Scroll down and click on the advanced section. Here, select code injection to add custom tracking codes. In the header field, you can paste any tracking code from platforms like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. Next, ensure you have defined your conversion goals in the respective analytics tool. Return to your Squarespace dashboard and select the Pages section. Choose the page where you want to track conversions, such as a product page or a checkout page. Click on that page to open its settings. Look for the Advanced tab and scroll down to find the Page Header Code Injection field. You can place specific conversion tracking snippets here for more precise data. After entering the code, click Save to apply your changes. Now, go back to your analytics platform and verify that your tracking code is functioning correctly. Conduct a test conversion by going through the process you want to track. Once completed, check back in your analytics platform to confirm that the conversion has registered. To further enhance your tracking, consider setting up event tracking for specific user actions. You can do this by using additional JavaScript snippets in the code injection settings. After all updates, regularly monitor your analytics to assess performance. Adjust your tracking as needed based on the insights you gather. This will help you optimize your Squarespace website for better conversion tracking over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.